Daiquiris, everybody loves them. Combined with passion fruit, they make for a great tropical drink. So today we're making a passion fruit daiquiri. Real easy to make. All you need is simple syrup, some rum, some lime juice, and some passion fruit, of course. So without further ado, let's crack straight into it. First we have to cut our passion fruit in half. We need two. Now we're going to scoop the flesh from 3 halves into our cocktail shaker. That's one. That's two. And third. That's it. We'll leave the fourth half for garnish. Now we're going to add the rum. I'm using plantation. 60 ml, 2 ounces. Followed by simple syrup. 15 ml, half an ounce. And 15 ml, half an ounce of fresh lime juice. Perfect. Now we need ice. And we are going to shake the cocktail for 10 to 12 seconds. Beautiful. Now we need a pre-chilled glass. Discard the ice. And we're going to double strain the cocktail into our pre-chilled glass. Look at that, amazing color. Now garnish with the passion fruit, 1 half, just drop it in. And that's it, ladies and gents, passion fruit daiquiri. Cheers! Wow, amazing. Citrusy, passion fruit, beautiful, real fruity tropical drink. Perfect for summer, perfect for hot days. You can't go wrong with this one. Try it, definitely try it. Amazing. That's it, ladies and gents. We made a passion fruit daiquiri. Real easy to make, fruity, it has rum. What else can you wish for? Try it, let me know in the comments below what you think, and I'll see you real soon in another video. Bye bye.